Hi, I'm Tessa McHenry, Director of Marketing at Zodiac Pool Systems, the maker of Zodiac and Polaris pool cleaners. Pressure-side pool cleaners are extremely robust, durable, and hassle-free, and are a great way to keep your pool sparkling clean all year long. We've put together some DIY troubleshooting tips to address common issues. First, we'll show you how to replace the head float. Start by removing the 3 screws that hold the bottom housing to the cleaner frame. Next, remove the 3 screws that hold the water management system to the frame. Now remove the water management system. After that is removed, locate the 2 screws holding the cleaner top to the frame. Unscrew and then lift the top housing from the cleaner body. Now remove the 3 screws that hold the silver rear housing to the top cover. Separate the 2 pieces, and finally, remove the screw that holds the head float in place and pull apart. Now you can replace the head float by following these steps. Put the new float in place and secure with the screw. Assemble the canopy and top housing and tighten all 3 screws. Now slide the top assembly and frame together and secure with 2 screws. Next, reinstall the water management system and secure with the 3 screws. And finally, install the bottom housing and secure. Now, here are some tips to remedy a pressure-side pool cleaner that isn't properly vacuuming or is behaving sluggishly. Remove the water management system by removing the 3 screws from the bottom housing. Then remove the screws that hold the water management system to the cleaner frame and pull apart. Now, using a paperclip or other fine object, insert into the 3 water management holes, removing any debris, and flush with water. Now we'll show you how to submerge a pressure-side pool cleaner that's floating at the surface. Typically, this occurs when fine debris and silt are present. This can cause the filter bag to get clogged and trap air. To fix this, simply remove the bag and clean it thoroughly with mild soap to remove any buildup. Another common cause for this is that the backup valve has failed in an open position. The backup valve is located approximately 18 inches from your cleaner head and will turn on every 2.5 to 3 minutes to pull your cleaner out of tight corners or trouble spots. The backup cycle should run approximately 30 seconds and then shut off completely. If your backup valve is not shutting off, the unit will tend to float or cause the hoses to tangle. Now we'll show you how to fix problems with hose tangling. If your hose is continually getting tangled, first check the backup valve, as we just discussed, to make sure it is turning off between cycles. Then, slide the first hose float right up behind the backup valve. This will provide better vertical lift and prevent the cleaner from dragging through the hoses. Next, check your hose length. While the hose is connected, walk around to the furthest point of your pool. You should have just enough hose to reach the furthest point, plus or minus 6 inches. Excess length will cause the hose to tangle as the swivels are unable to pull out any knots. Now we'll show you how to cut the hose. First, measure the depth of your pool. This can easily be done by using your telescoping pole. The lead hose connected to the cleaner head needs to be cut to the depth of the pool. Each hose section is 10 feet, so if your pool is 8 feet deep, you should remove 2 feet of excess from the lead hose. If you need to remove additional hose, cut the segments equally from the remaining 2 lengths. Lastly, if your water temperature is below 60 degrees, the hoses will lose elasticity and can tangle until the water temperature increases. Remember to always use genuine parts from the original manufacturer to ensure proper fit, operation, and wear. Finally, we'll show you how to prevent your pressure-side pool cleaner sweep hose from spraying outside the pool. This is a common problem with a simple solution. Just visit your pool product supplier and ask for a Tail Sweep Pro, an attachment that goes on the end of your sweep hose to prevent it from breaking the water line and spraying windows and walkways, while providing 50% more sweeping action. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your pressure-side pool cleaner functions properly and keeps your pool crystal clear.